Welcome back. It is time for The Law and You. With us are award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, as always, we appreciate you being here.
We're going to have good weather this week?
Things are improving. We did pretty well last week, and this week, for the most part, we're going to be in pretty good shape.
Right.
But not everyone is in good shape. We have a viewer that has a legal question we have to resolve today, and this one is from Marge in Plains. Marge says, my neighbor was walking home from work late last week and was hit. The driver left the scene. He is still in the hospital. What should he do? So it sounds like an accident here. Marge is not sure what to turn. What can she do?
Yeah, boy, we've had a rash of these lately. Again, we've handled, I don't even know how many hit and run cases over the years. One of the things that you should immediately do is see if you have uninsured motorist coverage on your own insurance policy, because if you do, in a situation like this involving a phantom vehicle, you're going to be able to make a claim for coverage under that particular portion of your policy. Obviously, notify the insurance company that it was a hit and run, that you don't know who hit you, that they left the scene. And then additionally, let the police investigation play out to see if they can, generate some leads on this. But
yeah,
we've had a lot of these.
Well, we have a ton of them. I guess with spring, people walking around, people need to pay attention to pedestrians, bikes. They're all back out on the road. So if you're driving, obviously, put your phones down and pay attention. But in this situation, you do have to notify the police. You have to notify the insurance company. And then if the police are successful in finding the guy, and that does happen, we've had that happen quite a bit, then you can also sue the gentleman or lady that hit you, and you could go forward with that cause of action. And then, there's other, but again, this type of, you're in the hospital, you need to reach out, get an attorney on board, and help you navigate those waters.
And it's almost that no matter if you're walking, you're out there on a bicycle, you're driving, you got to be defensive. Keep your eyes open at everyone out there.
No question about it.
No, it's important.
You got to keep yourself protected.
Yeah, the pedestrians, bikers, really pay attention, because I jog a lot and I see drivers with their heads down. No, they're literally down, and you're like, what are you doing?
Any chance to brag that he's in great shape. Never shy about throwing a plug out here on The Law and You. Anyway, for our viewers who want to contact you about legal reasons, not your jogging routine, Greg, how can they do that?
Well, you could see me running around Harvey's Lake. You could call me at the office at 570-714-HURT. You can see me on the web at 714hurt.com.
So he gets bench press awards. Now he's a marathoner.
Yeah.
I mean, this
Not a
guy does it
marathon,
all.
a couple miles.
Or go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
And I like how he sort of flexed over there when he was
you
giving
see that?
the number. He knows what he's doing. Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
See you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are open.